Happy Halloween! I'm really excited to test something out. Maybe I need to refresh my screen because I'm looking at this right here because it should say that I am live now on Periscope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this page, fearlessfatloss.com /podcast Halloween Candy Addiction 3-Bagger. Are you a 3-bagger? This is podcast number 44 of the JoLynn Braley Show from October 31st, 2013. And it's a good question to ask yourself right now. Are you a 3-bagger? What is a 3-bagger? A 3-bagger is someone who goes out and you bought Halloween candy in advance for the kids, but then you ate 1 or 2 bags, and so you had to go out and buy more bags, and that's what a 3-bagger is. It's all about Halloween candy addiction. And I just refreshed my page because, hey, there we go. See, look. In the sidebar here, when you go to fearlessfatloss.com /blog, B-L-O-G, this is in the sidebar. Follow me on Twitter. I've got 9,018 followers on Twitter as of this moment. And, oh, this did say live. Now it's not saying live. I wonder why it did that. It was, hey, Cheryl, thanks. Thank you so much for the bats. Happy Halloween. Just a moment ago, this was red, and it said I was live on Periscope, and now it's not. Okay, the main point of this scope is check out the 44th podcast that I did, October 31st, 2013, of the JoLynn Braley Show. You can find it on fearlessfatloss.com. This is the full URL, fearlessfatloss.com /podcast Halloween Candy Addiction 3-Bagger. If that's too much for you to remember, then you know what I'm going to do. Here's what I'll do. Go to Twitter, follow me on Twitter, JoLynn Braley, and as soon as I'm done with this very, very fast podcast, I'm going to tweet out the link to this, I'm sorry, did I just say as soon as I'm done with this very, very short podcast? I meant Periscope. But as soon as I'm done with this scope, I will tweet out the link to this podcast. It's an excellent podcast. The JoLynn Braley Show actually has been on air since January 2013. And so this was all the way back in 2013, October, number 44. And I'm going to end this scope right now because this is just a very short scope. But before I do, I'm refreshing my page. I want to see what happens here. Is this going to come back for the Periscope button? Is it going to say live? That's what I'm interested in. It's got to refresh. Hurry up now. Come on. Hey, thank you for the bats. There we go. See, it says live again. Now, it should stay like that, shouldn't it? It should stay red because I'm still live. And I wonder why a minute ago when I refreshed this page, now see, look it. Now it went blue again. Why does it do that? I don't think that that's right. I think that that button, that icon should stay red because I'm still live, and it doesn't stay like that. You know what I'm going to do? Okay, so I'm going to get off of this scope. Follow me on Twitter at JoLynn Braley, and I will tweet out the link for this podcast, Are You a 3-Bagger? It's all about Halloween candy addiction. And then after I do that, I'm going to tweet Periscope and I'm going to ask them about this issue here because this button should be red. It should say that I'm live. Also, when you come over here to fearlessfatloss.com /blog, that's where you can see what I'm seeing right now. fearlessfatloss.com /blog. Here you can grab my free 5-day e-course. It will help you answer the question, is your mindset fit or fat? And help you discover what you can do about it. And the way to do that is just to click on this green button right here. And then this box will pop up and then you need to enter your info. All right. Hey, I hope you're having a great night. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're not binging on Halloween candy. But if you are, hey, there's millions of people out there doing the same thing. Just remember, you don't have to stay out of control with your food and weight. And that's all I got for you right now. All right. Look for me on Twitter. in just a second. I will tweet the link to the podcast, and then I'm going to tweet Periscope and ask them about this button. Have a fantastic night!